Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So this is another video of the upcoming Google smartphone, the Google Pixel 5, and the report is maybe the Google Pixel 5 release date reportedly to delayed. In this video we're talking about this update. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. Google is struggling to sell the Pixel phone, but the new Pixel phone are highly anticipated devices every year. The Pixel is the coolest thing Android has to iPhone, especially the high-end model that pick flagship specs and run the latest operating system release. However, this year new Pixel have been delayed. A leaker said that the release date of the both Pixel 4a and the Pixel 5 have been pushed back significantly, and now novel coronavirus health crisis is the obvious explanation for the move. The evolution of the pandemic is expected to impact the iPhone 12 launch as well, and might hurt other new products supposed to launch this year, including the Xbox Series X and the PS5 as well. But the Pixel 4a should have already been released according to previous report, but the novel coronavirus may have changed all of that. A few days ago we have learned that the Pixel 4a might be launched in early June. I make a video also, and several weeks later that expected. John Prosser of the recent Apple leakers from dropped a few details about the Pixel 4a delayed the other day, saying that the Pixel 4a delayed is even worse. The phone will be unveiled on July 13th. That really then early June. Seems like they ready to ship. The leaker said the decision is mostly based on the market analysis. Smartphone sales have suffered in the past quarter because of the health crisis. Millions of people lost their jobs around the world as countries went in lockdown to reduce the spread of the coronavirus. A new smartphone purchase errant priority of many people. Add to all that increased competition from Apple. So what is the John Prosser says? He says, I'm confused too, but here what I know. Timelines got pushed due to market condition, not due to supply chain. Unit are ready to ship. Announcement July 13. This is her tweet latest, as you can see on your screen. More interesting is that the Pixel 5 debates on the tweet the phone is likely pushed back, although Prosser says does not offer a potential Pixel 5 release date. So this is the latest update about the upcoming Google Pixel 5. Google usually unveil new hardware in October, and that when the Pixel phone are announced. The Pixel 4 was introduced on October 15th and launched 2 weeks later. It's unclear if the Pixel 5 will get an October announcement this year. So let's see in upcoming days what Google think about the Google Pixel 5 release date. Maybe they delayed about 1 month or a 5 to 6 weeks. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.